To withdraw USDT in Poppo Live, start by logging into your account and navigating to the Wallet or Balance section. Here you will see your available balance in USDT. Before initiating a withdrawal, ensure you have sufficient funds in your account to cover any applicable fees. Next, locate the withdrawal option, usually found within the Wallet or Balance section, and select USDT as the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. You will then be prompted to enter the recipient address where you want to send the USDT. This address should be from a wallet that supports USDT, such as a personal digital wallet or another exchange. Carefully enter the recipient address, as transactions cannot be reversed. It is also crucial to double-check that you are sending USDT to a USDT-compatible wallet, as sending it to a wallet that does not support USDT could result in loss of funds. After entering the recipient address, you will need to specify the amount of USDT you wish to withdraw. Ensure this amount is available in your account and that you have enough to cover any withdrawal fees. Poppo Live may have minimum and maximum withdrawal limits, so be sure to check these before proceeding. Once you have entered the address and amount, review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. If all information is accurate, confirm the withdrawal. Depending on Poppo Live's security measures, you may be required to complete additional verification steps, such as two-factor authentication. After confirming the withdrawal, wait for the transaction to be processed. The time it takes for the USDT to arrive in the recipient wallet can vary depending on the network congestion and the speed of the blockchain. It is essential to keep in mind that withdrawal fees and processing times can change. So it is a good practice to check Poppo Live's official documentation or support channels for the most current information. By following these steps carefully and being mindful of the details, you can successfully withdraw USDT from Poppo Live.